What's up guys, today we'll talk about international premium rate numbers and I will show you a simple way on how to generate income by sending SMS to international premium rate SMS number. So international premium rate SMS number, it's long SMS number, what looks like simple mobile phone number. So here we go, some examples. So here is a number. It looks like a United Kingdom mobile number, but if somebody will send a message, I will get two English pence for every message that I will receive. So almost, let me check how much it's in euro. In euro, it's yeah. Well, it's 2 cents for every message that I will get. By the way, here is a website from where you can send messages. It's a TalkPhone app. You can simply download this application. You'll get free credit and you can start sending messages like this. And every message that you will receive, it's 2 cents euro. So guys, as you can see, it works, and here are certain messages what I have just sent to my own number, and I will give you one more website what can help you to generate income. So for example, you can register on SMS advert website, and here you can see that if I will select country or destinations United Kingdom, it will cost me less than 1 cent per message, and I will be able to send 20,000 units. It's 10,000 messages. So let's count how big profit will be. So I will get in euro for every message, and I will be able to send 10,000. So let's multiply. Here is how here is the amount what we will get from provider, and it will cost us 60 euro. So minus 60, so total profit is 160 euro. And if you will use this website, you can go to, let me check. So yeah, it's here. Need to log in, need to register, log in, then go to campaigns, create go to groups, contacts, create group, then click on it, add your phone numbers here. For example, you got 20 numbers from your provider. You can order 100 numbers different, add them to group here, and click on send SMS. Type here something, click on send message, and you will send, and in one click you will send 100 messages to these numbers. So it's quite simple, as you can see. So from one message you get more than 2 cents, and if you got 100 numbers, you can in one click get more than 2 euro. So quite easy. And the next step, what you can do is find another programs like Text Magic, Gate, and different SMS providers, and join these providers, open your account, order numbers from Telecom 2, or you can contact me and I will give you these numbers. You can start sending messages to these numbers and we will split profit together. So quite easy enough. So guys, I hope you understand the idea on how to work with these premium rate SMS numbers. As well, you can take these numbers at this number as caller ID. So put here a lot of messages, a lot of numbers, and send, for example, messages to all these random numbers like, hi, how are you? Let me know. Let me know when we can meet. For example, yeah. And you will send such message to random people, and everyone who will reply, they will be charged small fee, and you will get a commission like this. As you remember, these every message costs you really small amount, and if this person will reply, probably you'll get profit like this. So very simple idea, and it's working, and it will keep working. So guys, if you really want to make quick money, like easily you can make 1,000 or even 4,000 euro per month like this, just sending SMS messages by using these services to your own premium rate SMS numbers, or just to random people, and you'll get profit like this just for chatting with other people, and it's not like a scam or something, because people will not even understand what's happening, you know. So just chatting from your own long SMS number, what is charged a little extra like this, I don't know. So I show you some services what you can use: bulk gate, SMS advert, text magic, and different programs, guys. So just try yourself, and let me know in comments what you think about this idea, and have a good day.